Did you like going down? Did you like it?
How about I go front?
Gabby, is it fun?
Okay, Gabby, we're gonna have to get out of the action trail.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Here they go. Oh my lord.
I think we're right underneath.
Oh dear.
Oh my goodness.
Oh dear.
Bring it on up here, buddy.
Oh dear. The tree! Wow, look at all the snow you guys plowed. See, we need you guys to go down like 8 times in a row and we'll clear the track out.
Like it?
Look at that!
How you doing? Okay. Okay,
Wow.
Gabby. She's like, I want to go with Daddy.
Oh.
There she's going.
Dude, look at that nice line of track you laid. Look at that.
Yeah.
So we go with Daddy again?
She's just like, let me go. Oh, there you go, Callie.
Whoa! She's going for the jump.
You almost get to the jump there.
Getting a workout today, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna take it this is my leisure.
Oh, you want a picture like that? Oh, wow. Oh!
That was an epic fail.
You planned that, right?
Yeah.
Here comes Maddie.
With no board.
With no board. Didn't work out too well.
My sister put butter on my jacket.
Don't do that. Olivia, don't spray that on clothes.
My sister put butter on my jacket.
She forced me to do it.
All right, I feel like it's right in the middle of the trail. I'm going to get hit if I fall.
All right. Here we go.
Careful, Maddie.
She's ready.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Here I come, Nicole. Go get you.
Oh! Oh, no! Oh, no! No! Wipe out! Da, 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 da.
Going backwards is a good idea.
You okay?
Our nose is running, our cheeks are kind of rosy.
Oh, I'm sure they are.
I know.
How you feeling, Gabby? Are you cold? Gabby cold?
All right, Nicole, do you want to do like go both of us?
I want to.
Yes, I do.